In this quick tip from the MacU.com, we are going to look at the Sunset Sunrise panel within the Apple Weather app. This app comes built in on every iPhone, iPad, and Mac. I have weather open on this Mac and over on my iPhone with two different locations selected. The Sunset Sunrise panel displays what time the sun will set in each location, what time the sun will rise the next day, and how high in the sky the sun is currently. Tap or click to expand the panel for more details. Drag over this arc to see where the sun will be at any given time today. Below we have the sunrise and sunset times again, but also are given first and last light times. Last light could be really helpful to know when complete darkness will occur. Scroll down and we are presented with the average sunrise and sunset times for each month of the year at that location. This can be great info to utilize for travel planning. And above, the length of the longest day of the year is displayed. So, that's a quick look at the information that can be accessed from the Sunset Sunrise panel in the Apple Weather app. Most of the other panels will include more data than you might expect as well. Learn more about using your iPhone, iPad, and Mac at the MacU.com. Thanks for watching.